Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Advanced Protection Program for stronger accounts. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Advanced Protection Program website. Log into your Google account if you're not already signed in. Carefully review the eligibility requirements for the Advanced Protection Program. Click on the Get Started button to begin the enrollment process. You'll see a list of security benefits associated with the program. Read through these benefits to understand the added protection you'll receive. Next, you'll be prompted to enroll your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to accept the terms and conditions. Select the option to use a security key for two-factor authentication. If you already have a security key, insert it into the USB port or connect it via Bluetooth. If you don't have a security key, you will need to purchase one or use your smartphone as an alternative. Once your security key is registered, go back to the enrollment process. Configure any additional security settings, such as backup codes, for recovery purposes. After confirming your settings, finalize your enrollment into the program. Google will send you an email to confirm your successful enrollment. Review the email for any additional instructions or security tips. Make sure to keep your security key in a safe place. Consider enabling the option to use your smartphone for two-factor authentication if available. Regularly check your account settings for any updates on security features. Your Google account is now enrolled in the Advanced Protection Program. You can feel more confident knowing your account has stronger security in place. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after reset. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.